Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel AF Official. Guys, first of all, I would like to thank everyone that you people have given immense support, a great support to me for my last video. It was around 6,200 views within 2 weeks. It was really appreciable and supportive, encourageable for me. Guys, today's topic is signboards in hospitals and the importance of signboards in the hospital. What signboards are required in a hospital and why the signboard should be displayed in the hospital. Guys, before starting the video, I would request and I would like to request you to like and subscribe my channel so that you will get more videos related to healthcare, related to quality. So please subscribe and like my video. We'll begin the video. So guys, dear friends, what is signboard? Why the signboards are required? Everywhere, not in the hospital. Generally, you take signboards in the roadside. You take signboards in the theaters, shopping malls. Why the signboards are displayed? What is the reason behind it? The signboards are displayed to easily accessible, to easily get access of the services, of the departments, of the floors, whatever you want to show. It should be displayed without wasting the time of the target clients or audience. You can get your results within a short period of time by displaying the proper signboards. So hospital signboards. What are the hospital signboards? Let's begin with the first signboard, which is important in the hospital. Guys, dear friends, before entering to the hospital, the first signboard you will able to see is hospital name. What? It will be the hospital name, doctor's name, owner's name. Then once you come near the entrance of the hospital, you will see the way to casualty, way to ER room, the most important signboard in the hospital. Because many ambulance are not from your hospital. It will be outside of the hospital. They are coming from out of towns. They don't know where is the ER. ER means what? Emergency room, casualty. The emergency cases, the accident cases, which will be treated first, priority given first, should be go to the casualty. So once you display the signboard way to casualty at the entrance of the hospital, the ambulance will go according to the signboard at the emergency. It will save the time of the patients. After ER, after way to signboard, way to casualty, you will get the entrance where there should be a display of scope of services of the hospital. What are the services you are providing? You should display the services like general surgery, general medicine, orthopedic surgery, then yes, rheumatology, nephrology, gastroenterology, obstetrics and gynecology. So these are the services what you are providing in your hospital should be displayed outside the hospital, so that whoever comes to your hospital, they see the scope of services, they will come to know it is related to them or not. If not, the non-scope of services should be displayed. What non-scope of services you are providing in your hospital should be displayed so that they can see and go to other hospital, nearest hospital. It will save the time of the patient. It is the quality of services for the community people. Dear friends, signboards are very essential part in the hospital. It is very small and little bit financiable, but very important. So after scope of services, you enter the hospital. Before, at the entrance only, you will see the reception. May I help you? Reception signboard. At the reception, you should find, before reception or waiting area, you should find waiting area signboard where the chairs and a couple of chairs and something sofa related you should have to set to proper waiting area should be available in the hospital. In that waiting area, it should be displayed. Patient rights and responsibility should be displayed. No smoking signboards are displayed. You are under CCTV surveillance camera signboard should be displayed. Yes. Floor plan should be displayed. In which floor, what all are the services provided should be displayed at the ground floor near the waiting area, so that they can easily access the floors, access the departments by seeing the floor plans. Once you enter the floor, like first floor, second floor, in the ground floor you will be having OPDs, laboratories, pharmacies, X-ray department, USG department, radiology department. So guys, these departments, these signboards are mandatory, required from NABH board to show the quality of services, to minimize the time, to reduce the time period of the patient. Dear friends, after getting that floor plan, you should go to the department or floor according to the floor. Once you go to the first floor or second floor, you should find the arrow mark, which department where it is, right side or left side. General ward should be displayed like this, or deluxe rooms should be like AC rooms or should display like this. ICUs, all ICUs, operation theaters and dialysis room, autoclave, CSSD department should be displayed properly. And this is the restricted area, so that one red color radium or paint should be done at the entrance of the department, because it is a restricted area. These are the important signboards in the hospital. After entering to the hospital, after entering into departments, you should find related signboards. Like if you see the ultrasound, ultrasonography, or X-ray department, or CT scan, MRI, there should be proper signboards inside the department. Like pregnant lady should not be allowed inside the radiology, radiation area, radiation zone. The signboard should be displayed outside the department, out at the door. Yes. In general ward, you should display the signboards like patient rights and responsibility, hand washing steps. Yes, hand washing steps should be displayed at each wash basin in your hospital. Every wash basin should have signboard of hand washing steps according to WHO, World Health Organization. Every signboard will reduce the time of the patient and as well as the hospital staff, because they will, if they see the signboard, why they will ask you. The main important signboards are fire exit signboards. Yes, every hospital, in every floor, in every department, there should be a fire extinguisher related to your department. Fire extinguishers have different types, so as per types, as per departments, as per requirement, you should hang the fire extinguisher in your department, and that signboard should be displayed. How to use signboards, raise, pass, that signboard should be displayed. How to use fire extinguisher, fire exit signboards. There should be assembly point at the outside of the hospital, ground floor. The way to signboards, fire exit doors should be made available in the hospital. These are the important signboards in your hospital, dear friends. Fire exit signboard should be in green color. Fire exit signboard, wherever you are showing, that signboard should be in green color as per required guidelines. And red color signboards should be caused danger signboards, like no smoking should be displayed in red color. Danger signboard should be displayed in red color. Cautionary, whatever cautionary items or these signboards you are displaying should be in red color. What is red color? It means it's stop. Red color is the sign for stopping, and green color is the signboard for resuming. So green color signboard for fire exit should be used in your hospital, and red color for not doing, like cautions, no smoking and all. It should be in red color. Guys, many signboards are there as per your requirement, but the minimum and the important, with what are the signboards should be required in your hospital, I have explained. So it should be displayed to show the quality of service of your hospital to the community people. Once you give the quality of service to the community people, the patients, the community will do the marketing of your hospital. If you don't have proper signboards and if you don't explain them, and most important part, the thing is as well, you should display the signboard in English and your local language. If it is in Telangana, it should be displayed in English and in Telugu. If it is in other states like Delhi, Mumbai, it should be displayed in English and Hindi, English in Marathi, English in Tamil, English and Malayalam. Yes. English and Urdu, English and Arabic. What is your local language should be displayed the signboards. Including English, you should display with the local language to easily understand. It should be easily understandable for the community people, because not everyone knows English, so that they will come and see the local language. Yes, these are the important signboards which I have explained. So guys, dear friends, I really request you to like and subscribe my video, so that we get the support, encourage for next videos. Next video will be, dear friends, next video will be coming soon, and it will be really extraordinary. It will be really extraordinary. And